Hi buddy, long time no see, cause the test is coming and I was busy. So this is my video, and today I'm gonna open this squishy blind bag, and I'm gonna start with cutting the lines. Three, two, one. Whoa, we got a lot of squishies here. What do you want to open first? Oh, and I forgot, you can get common, rare, epic, legendary. Let's open this first. You got epic! Yay! Now, what do you want to open first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm gonna open this first. Wow! You got the squishy. And this is how it's squished. And now I'm gonna open the next one. Which do you want to open first? This, or this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, this. 3, 2, 1. We got a donut! A cute little donut. And it has this too. It's pretty fun though. And this is how it's squish. I think I like this more. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This. 3, 2, 1. We got this funny ice cube. This cute little ice cube. So cute. And this is the bag and the water, and this is the ice cream cube is running. And the next one, I think I'm gonna open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This. 3, 2, 1. We got this mini treasure map. And this is the treasure map. We are here, and we're gonna go through here, then here, then here, then here. And here's the treasure. And next I'll be opening 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This. 3, 2, 1. We got this cute and big pencil with an eraser on the back. And this is how it's squished. Let's start with the next one. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we got this cute small notebook. My cute small note. Aww, this is a bear. Let's open it. Wow, please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Just please. Bye everybody. Have a great fun day.